Here's my honest review of CelluCare. If you've been fighting unstable blood sugar, random energy crashes, and constant worries about your numbers, and you're wondering if this supplement is actually worth it, keep watching. Maybe your mornings start okay, but by late morning or afternoon you feel shaky, drained, foggy, or irritable. You're watching your food, trying to be careful, and yet your readings still bounce around more than you'd like. CelluCare is marketed as a breakthrough in blood sugar science. It's designed to support healthy blood sugar levels, promote better blood health, and boost vitality and energy, all from home, as part of your daily routine. The brand says CelluCare helps naturally awaken the feedback loop responsible for blood sugar balance and your body's healing potential that may be lying dormant. In simpler terms, it's meant to support your body's own regulation, not replace it. Each CelluCare capsule contains over 12 ingredients chosen to support blood sugar, blood flow, inflammation balance, energy, and heart health. Instead of just one hero ingredient, it combines several well-known plant extracts. Turmeric rhizome is included for its role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels and a balanced inflammatory response. It's a very common ingredient in metabolic and wellness formulas. Cocoa bean extract and pine bark extract are both rich in plant compounds that support blood flow and a healthy inflammatory response. Better circulation and balanced inflammation can be important for overall metabolic health. Eleuthero is there to help increase energy and reduce fatigue. If your blood sugar swings leave you feeling wiped out, this is meant to help you feel more stable and alert throughout the day. Gymnema, juniper berry, and banaba leaf are included to support healthy blood sugar, blood pressure, and heart health. These are classic ingredients often seen in blood sugar formulas because of their traditional use. Butcher's broom is there to support healthy blood circulation. Good circulation is important not only for your heart and vessels, but also for how nutrients and oxygen are delivered throughout your body. What I like is that CelluCare doesn't pretend blood sugar is just about one thing. It uses ingredients for blood sugar, circulation, inflammation balance, energy, and heart support. For something as complex as metabolism, that multi-angle approach makes sense. What I don't like is when people expect any supplement to replace their doctor, meds, or a solid plan, especially with something as serious as blood sugar. CelluCare is not a cure, not medical treatment, and not a license to ignore diet, exercise, or medical advice. Testimonials mention more stable readings, better daily energy, and feeling more confident about managing their numbers. Some people say they were skeptical at first, but noticed positive changes over a few months. As always, results vary from person to person. CelluCare is designed for daily use. You follow the instructions on the bottle and take it consistently over time. It's not a take one pill, fix everything situation. It works alongside your lifestyle and medical plan, not instead of them. In my opinion, CelluCare is for adults who want extra nutritional support for healthy blood sugar and energy, people who are already working on diet, movement, and medical follow-up, and want a supplement to complement that effort. The formula is described as using plant ingredients and being gentle yet powerful. Larger orders also come with digital bonuses like guides on managing diabetes and tea remedies. Those are educational extras, useful if you like to learn, but not the main product. Important part of my review: if you decide to try CelluCare, only buy it using the official link under this video in the description. That's where you get the authentic product, the real bonuses, the 60-day money-back guarantee, and secure payment, not some random copy. So here's my final verdict on CelluCare. It's a thoughtfully built blood sugar support supplement with ingredients for blood sugar, blood flow, inflammation balance, and energy, as long as you treat it as support, not a standalone solution. If you want to see how your energy and readings respond, click the official link under this video in the description and decide based on your own results, not just the promises.